come back to this one. Let's go find the other one. Oh, whoa. This one's different. This one was Lexan. Oh my god, that motor on that Delta. Is this also a Delta mod? Oh, it's original. Sick. Wow. 2 co-elevators. This one's hydro. I think this might open up to a desk. I think it did. 2,500 pounds. Otis. There's some cool elevators in this building. Yeah, I'll only get original Lexan. Non-ADA phone. Right one. Okay. What's this for? Oh, key switches. Remember that one close? Cool kit. I don't think. Yeah, only 4 is open. That opens right to a desk, so we're not gonna ride this one again. That's cool.